Filmora versus Vita mobile video editors. Choosing the right mobile video editor can completely change how you create stunning videos without complicated software. Filmora and Vita both offer powerful tools, but with different approaches to ease and features. Filmora and Vita are two popular mobile video editors designed for creators on the go. Filmora focuses on a comprehensive editing experience with advanced features, while Vita prioritizes speed and simplicity for quick, polished videos. The core difference lies in depth versus ease of use. Filmora is a full-featured mobile video editor that brings desktop-level editing tools to your phone. It offers multi-track timelines, a wide range of effects, transitions, and advanced controls like keyframing and color correction. Users can import multiple clips, add music, text, and stickers, then export in high resolution. Filmora's interface balances powerful features with accessibility, making it suitable for both beginners and intermediate creators. However, its extensive toolset can feel overwhelming for users seeking quick edits. The app occasionally requires a subscription for premium effects and watermark removal. Filmora is ideal for content creators who want to craft detailed videos directly on mobile without sacrificing quality or control. Vita is a mobile video editor designed for fast and intuitive video creation. It streamlines the editing process with easy-to-use templates, one-tap effects, and auto-generated music sync. Vita focuses on delivering polished videos quickly with simple trimming, filters, and text overlays. The app excels in social media-ready formats, offering export options optimized for platforms like Instagram and TikTok. While Vita lacks advanced features like multi-track editing or detailed color grading, its speed and simplicity make it perfect for casual users and social media influencers who prioritize quick turnaround over deep customization. Vita generally offers a free version with optional in-app purchases for additional effects and features. Choosing between Filmora and Vita depends on your editing needs. Filmora suits users who want detailed control, layering multiple clips and advanced effects, making it great for YouTubers or mobile filmmakers. Its trade-off is a steeper learning curve and occasional subscription costs. Vita, on the other hand, shines for quick edits, offering fast templates and easy sharing, ideal for social media creators who need polished videos without complexity. However, it lacks the depth for complex projects. If you want full creative freedom and professional level tools on mobile, Filmora is the better choice. For fast, stylish videos with minimal effort, Vita delivers efficiently. Filmora is recommended for creators seeking a powerful, versatile mobile editor with advanced features and detailed control over every aspect of their videos. Vita is best for users who want quick, easy video editing with stylish results, perfect for social media. Both apps serve different needs, so pick Filmora for depth or Vita for speed to elevate your mobile video editing experience.